Terriers may respond well to commands when they are focused and engaged, but their instinct to chase and hunt can sometimes overpower their ability to stay on task. Owners will need to be especially patient and consistent in their training efforts, finding ways to redirect the dog's attention and manage its impulses. Another important factor that influences the terrier temperament is its strong territorial instincts. Many terriers are naturally protective of their homes and families and may react with aggression or excessive barking to perceived threats. While this territorial behavior can make terriers excellent watchdogs, it can also present challenges during training, particularly if the dog becomes overly protective or territorial around strangers or other animals. For example, a terrier may become aggressive toward unfamiliar people or dogs, particularly if it has not been properly socialized or trained to accept new experiences. Territorial aggression can complicate training efforts, particularly when it comes to introducing the dog to new environments or situations. Socializing a terrier from an early age, along with consistent training, is essential to help the dog develop confidence and learn to distinguish between real threats and harmless stimuli. The independent nature of terriers also means that they are often not as easily motivated by praise or affection as some other breeds. Many terriers are more food-driven or motivated by play, rather than seeking attention from their owners. This can make training more difficult if owners rely too heavily on affection or praise as rewards. Using food-based rewards, such as treats, and incorporating toys or games into training sessions can often be more effective in maintaining a terrier's focus and engagement. Terriers tend to respond better when they feel that the reward is immediate and valuable to them, which makes positive reinforcement techniques a key component of successful training. However, because terriers can be independent and sometimes stubborn, the reward system must be used consistently and appropriately, ensuring that the dog understands the connection between its actions and the reward. One of the key elements in training terriers effectively is to set clear, consistent boundaries. Given their independent streak, terriers may test the limits set by their owners, particularly if they sense any inconsistency or weakness in their training methods. Consistent reinforcement of commands, as well as firm but positive corrections, helps establish respect for the owner's authority. For example, if a terrier is taught to stay off the furniture, it will need to experience consistent consequences every time it breaks that rule. Inconsistent enforcement of boundaries may confuse the dog, leading it to ignore commands or engage in undesirable behaviors. The consistent application of rules, paired with appropriate rewards and corrections, is essential for building a positive and cooperative relationship with a terrier. Training terriers requires patience, consistency, and a deep understanding of their unique temperament.